3.
Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. This is Komali Ambedkar. Friends, I came for respond on the one incident, one tragic incident was registered came under the light from the Rajasthan state and Bikaner district and Jalawar village. There from one government school which was running by the government. That school, the secondary school building was collapsed and with the roof and wall, completely entire building was collapsed, and the 4 members students were died under the building, under the debris, and the 40 members were trapped under the debris which was collapsed building. The 40 members were trapped. The rescue team and the villagers that jointly they are rescuing and they are retrieving who were trapped and who were the fearly trapped inside the debris. They are rescuing and they are retrieving the all the student, and that one came. Friends, really I am sad and sad about that incident. When I know about that incident, really I shocked myself, and first of all I am expressing my regret, and I am sending my condolence who are died, the bereaved family members. Friends, where is the I am asking one question, where is the government? Friends, completely where there the BJP party ruling, there from such kind of incident and occurrence day to day increasing and rising, and the coming under the light. Really, the completely BJP carelessness and BJP party recklessness led and forward such type of result to us. Friends, where is the collector, where is the CM? Rajasthan CM, he is a Bhajan Lal Sharma and Education Minister Madan Dilawar, and collector her name is the Namrata Vrishni. What they are doing, completely their recklessness, carelessness, and their irresponsibility led and found that result, that toll, and that one happened. Friends, that gutter ends registered. What they are doing, our PM, he said Beti Bachao, Beti Badao. That one only words. There is no application. They are all are saying the words only. Who are the leaders who came on the power? They all are giving the words that there is no application, and there is no any development and any result and any progress. They completely destroying the entire nation, our India. What is the student? The students pillar of the nation. Student the future of the India. But completely the state and state wisely and nation wisely, completely they are destroying and they are spoiling the students education and student life. This is clear cut, friends. Where there the if anywhere the any building that became a dilapidated ruin should be revamped and should be repaired and should be relocate. That should be do, but they hadn't did, and they hadn't take any responsibility about the such type of buildings and the such type of which was dilapidated condition became. They not focus on them, and they not who is the MD and MUO and the collector, DO. They have to survey and they have to take about the supervision, and they have to take about the situation of the condition of the building and infrastructures, and how is the building situation and infrastructures and facilities and amenities like that. They hadn't to take the data from the school buildings and school before the opening the school. You know what? 2 months passed. The opening the school. You know, 2 months only passed. The many problems were. You know, not only this first time. You know, in this year, third time that incident registered. What is going on? Where they are? What they are doing? You know, that one is a secondary school building, completely with the roof and wall. What is mean by that? That collapse and that entire the building debris. What is going on? You know, completely the student life and education destroying by the leaders. You know, especially BJP leaders. This is going on, friends. That is why I am came and I am responding on the incident. Really, I am sad, and first of all, I am sending my condolences to bereaved family members and government and CM, PM, and entire the who are the responsible persons should be take the take the information and share the proof on the issue and what was why the building collapsed. That's for should be take, and the Supreme Court also should be take sumoto and set the proof. And first of all, who are the concerned officers entire the school that school, who are the concerned officers should be first of all suspended. This is my demand, and really this one my strong message to the government of the India. You know, not only this incident, you know, entire India such type of incident and issues they are facing, and that have been continuing. There is no cups, there is no control. What they are doing, really I am sad. That is why everyone should be respond and should be give the your voice behalf of the victim, behalf of the incident. Thank you, friends.